Okay, today I'm going to teach you double discount. Your homework is only going to be the front. Only the front for your tarea. All right. Double discount. You guys are double discount for today. So, today is Thursday. It's usually test day. But since I was absent Monday, and tomorrow, next week's going to be a weird week, I think I'll give you a test next, Tuesday. That way we have enough practice with discount. And then on Tuesday, I'll give you your test before the modified day on Wednesday. I think that's the plan. All right. Pink papers, you're going to turn them in. Stop working on the pink papers. I'll give you time later on. Okay, time later. So right now, Jamie wants, Jordana, want your notebooks ready. Olivia, take some notes. Because we got to do double discount. What is double discount?
When you get 2 discounts.
Yeah.
20% off and then 5% off. If you get that 20% off, you get 50%.
Very good. Okay. I don't want to compete. So let me teach without having to wait, Santiago, for you to stop talking to your neighbor. I don't want to compete today. Yep, still don't want to compete, Santiago, with you. Double discount. Manual said it perfectly. It's like one discount after another. So we kind of said 20% off and then an additional discount. So double discount is when you get 2 discounts off. So let's see. What do we want to buy today?
A dog.
Why would I want to buy?
Let's say I want to buy this PC.
Oh, you got that ready already.
Yeah, totally. I have 2, you know? Let's say I want to buy this PC. Okay, how much does it cost? $1,879.99. Let's round to the nearest 10. What would it be?
1,880.
Very good, Noah. 1,880, right? So, if I buy this, they're going to give me 20% off. And then I'm like, Riley, I don't know why you're on your iPad. I know. They're like, Miss O'Malley, you're going to get an additional 30% off. And I'm like, whoa, thank you. Thank you very much. So, the PC cost $1,880, I believe. Okay, they're going to give me 20% off plus 30% off because today is Thursday.
Wow.
Woohoo. So because today is Thursday, they're going to give me an additional 30% off. So they gave me 20% off. Now they're giving me 30% off.
So it's 50% because we add them.
So, here's the question. Do I add these 2%?
No.
Okay. So, if you add the 2%, what percent would it be? 50%. Okay. So, if it's 50%, okay, we talked about 50% yesterday, right? What's 50%? Half. Okay, what would half of this be?
940.
Yeah, 940.
Yeah.
Right? Well, let's see. 940 plus 940. Do we get 1880? Yeah, right? Does everybody see that? Okay. So 50% would be $940, right? That's if we add the percents. Guess what?
We don't.
We can't. We don't. But I want you to keep this in mind. So if I added the percents, Best Buy would charge me $940. Now, we can't add the percents. Do you think our answer is going to be more than $940 or less than $940?
Less.
Okay. Keep that in mind.
More. Less.
Okay. So, I'll write it down. $940, right? That would be if it's 50%, right? $940 would be 50%. That's what we're trying to see. Will we get the same answer the way I have to teach it to you? So, the way I have to teach it to you is you have to do each percent individually in the order that they're given. So, which one was given first? 20. If you don't do it in the correct order, you get a different answer. If you add the percents, you get a different answer. So, step 1, 1880 times what?
20.
Times what?
20.
Point
20.
.2.
0.2 is the best answer I could hear. Make sure you're not copying me. Make sure you're doing it. We're just looking up here to check your answers. But please don't copy. Okay. Are we good?
No. Yeah.
Well, step one. Okay. 20%. We get 1504?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So that's just 20%. But there's an additional 30% off. So what do you think step 3 is going to be?
Count it. Times it.
15 afford.
15
Yeah.
Times 0.30. 0.3.
Yeah. So use the new price. Use your new price. Don't go back to 18 because we're done with 18. We're now looking at 1504 with 30% off. Okay. Check to see if I got it right. Did we match? Anybody match?
So we just took off like 2.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Again, don't copy because you gotta practice. You gotta do it on your own. See if you're able to do it correctly, and if not, then in a minute, like ask me what do you need help with. Okay. What's the new price that Best Buy is gonna charge me? $1,052.80. Very good. What was it when we just did 50%?
940.
So, why do you think they don't add the percents at the store?
Because they want to be money.
So, if they add the percents, you actually, as a customer, end up paying less, right?
Yeah.
The store makes less money because you're paying less. Here, they end up, because they separate the percents, you end up paying more, right? The price is a little bit higher. Do you still save? Yes. And as a customer, when you walk in, you're like, wow, I'm saving 20 and I'm saving 30. You feel excited. You feel like, yeah, I'm going to get a great deal. Right? I mean, I do. Yeah. But then when you really look at it, it's not 50%. It's really this. It's very different. And that's how stores work. Okay? So when you go to the store and your mom's like, look, guys, I'm going to get 50% off. You're like, yeah, you're not. You should bet your mom. You should bet, I bet you $20, Mom. It's not going to be this price. It's going to be something different. But then, you know, yeah. So that's life right here. This is how stores can charge you more, but still make you believe that you are saving a lot of money. Yay! What's the economy called? Capitalism. Woo! Yay! Capitalism. Do you want a shortcut for this?
Yes.
It's a lot of work. This works every single time. You can use it. It's 2 steps, right? Multiply, subtract, use any number. Okay. Let me show you a shortcut. If you understand the shortcut, it will cut down your math in half, make your math so much easier. But a lot of times the kids that I teach this to, they don't understand what I'm doing, although it's not very hard. So if you don't understand it at the end of the day, you can use this. This always works, okay? But let me show you a shortcut. Does anybody know what the shortcut would be?
Shorter.
thanks. We decided to wear it today because of the musical thing that's happening.
Felicia never did. Today's the.
Oh, is that why a lot of people are wearing shirts for Christmas?
Tis the season. All right. Here it is. Shortcut. Are you ready for the shortcut? Okay. We're going to do the same problem. We're going to get the same answer. Okay? So PC is 1880, right? It's 20% off and 30% off. Okay? So it's the exact same problem. We want the answer to be, what was it, 1052, right? I'm going to show you how to do this way faster. Okay? We already know the answer. So now I'm just teaching you the shortcut. Okay? And for some of you, it's going to be very valuable. All right. If it's 20% off, what percent am I paying them? If they're taking away 20%, what
80%.
percent am I paying? 80%. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Some of us? So
I do.
if it's 20%, that means the store's taking off 20%. I am responsible to pay 80%. You're going to pay 80%, right? Because the whole thing's 100%. They're taking away 20%. I'm left with the responsibility of 80%. Do we understand where we got 80% from?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to just do step number 1, which is multiply 1880 times the percent you're going to pay. What's the percent you are going to pay?
0.8.
0.8. Okay? So let's do that number. Now let's multiply by 0.8. See what we get. Where does this answer appear in our other problem?
Happy birthday, happy. No, they're supposed to be big.
I'm not a stranger, I'm a teacher. Anyways, what did we get here?
Oh, 1,500.
I got
Okay.
the same as
0. Oh, he got it wrong.
Actually,
Yeah.
I got the wrong answer.
8 times 8 is 64. Carry the 6. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 6. 70. 8. 15. Move the decimal one time. Okay. Where do we see this answer in the first problem?
Oh, when you find out.
Subtracting. Oh, subtracting. Easy.
So, the shortcut, Olivia, skips the first step. It skips the first step, goes right into your new price. So you're skipping the savings. You're skipping the savings part. This is your new price.
Can we just do that in
Yes, you can. But, so, Evelyn brought up the point, well, can't we just use this for regular discount? Yes, this would be like your answer. But sometimes the question says, how much do you save? Does this tell me how much I save? No. You could do one more step to figure it out, though. You can subtract and figure out how much do you save. So it just depends on the question. Like, how much do I save or how much do I pay my new price? So if you can handle the difference and you can figure out what math I need to use, do the math you need to do. Okay? So, but we're not done. Here, then I would take 1504 and multiply by what to do this? 0.7. Because 30% is off, but we're doing the shortcut. That means that I'm going to pay 70%. So the shortcut is using not the percent off, but the percent you get to pay. So I'm not using 0.3, I'm using 0.7. Is this the same answer we got before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this cuts your work in half. You're not doing 4 steps, you're doing 2 steps. You're not subtracting, which sometimes kids like mess up the borrowing. So eliminates that. But you gotta be really good at multiplying them. Again, this does not tell you how much you save. So if the question asks you how much do you save, you gotta do some work still. But this is a great shortcut to use when it's just asking you the price. Yes. Oh, fine. Oh. Completely forgot.
I got it.
All right, are we good?
Yes.
Okay, well I bought the PC. What else do I need?
You need a MacBook. You need
Wait,
one
you
for
need
the
a dog.
PC.
You need a monitor.
I'm sorry, excuse me. What are you guys talking about? For this price, does it not include the mouse? The
No.
It doesn't.
It's just the PC.
It's gonna include like a $10 mouse brownie.
my favorite. What for this?
Oh, and
I
a
think
monitor.
you
A
could
monitor.
buy the
Yeah, you
plus
need a
code
monitor.
piece and make a better PC.
And then you need a $100 keyboard.
Ooh, look, it's colorful.
Oh, I think I have that one.
Don't I need the one that's like a duck and it quacks every time? Click, click. Wow. I cannot believe it.
Do you think it comes like with the food thing?
When I was a kid.
Oh, when I.
That was back in your day.
What do you want?
Okay.
Did you go to the arcade when you were a kid?
Yeah, that's my monitor. Yes, it is. I've seen your
Huh.
monitor.
And we couldn't watch Miss O'Malley's videos on this monitor.
Yes, we
Mm.
can.
Mm-hmm. All right, fine. We'll go with this monitor. Let's round to the nearest 100. What would it be?
400.
400. Wow, I can't believe it.
400 snap orders. That's not 100. That's 400.
Monitor costs 400. Okay. We're gonna get
90% discount.
90% discount.
Yeah.
Let's do 40% off and 15% off. Okay. Now, I want to know the new price. So you guys want to do the shortcut or the long way?
Shortcut.
Love the shortcut. Okay, try it out. So if it's 40% off, what percent am I paying?
60.
60% is what you're paying. Okay, so we're going to take 400 and we're going to multiply it by what? 0.6. All right, what do we get? 240? 0, 0, 240. So that's step 1. Step 2, 240 times, times what? Yeah, so I would do 100% minus 15% if you didn't know. 10, 9, 0, that's 5, 8, 85. So I'm going to be paying 85% is the amount you're going to be paying. So 0.85. Okay, so a little bit harder on the matemáticas.
Oh shoot.
Alright, we good?
Yes.
Do we like the shortcut?
Yes. I'm getting a bit.
Alright. So let's try the shortcut with this worksheet. Blue worksheet. Okay?
Wait, what was the price?
Oh, that's any price. So 204. That would be our final answer. Right? 204?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh no, yeah, I did. What's 8 times 7? My favorite. How many is Kyle?
Yeah.
10.
Mine said 10.
This kid. This kid.
This boy.
Can we do number 5 first?
Miss, I still don't see this thing. Are you sure that you reading the back?
Wait, 700?
If you want to use a shortcut, use a shortcut. If not, you're going to do force.
Nope. Wait, that's it, no?
Oh.
This makes no sense.
Who sits next to Scarlett in science? Riley, can you put her homework in log?
Is it first one?
I know, you hear the sigh?
400. Yes, actually. Wait, what you got for the first one?
I got
486?
No, I got 494.
You guys for the first one? 494. It's 5. Who's 9 times 5?
Okay. What you get?
504.
I got 486.
What you get? We're not starting first.
I got 494.
Yeah,
I give up on
It's 494.
Oh,
I got
504.
no, it's 504.
Yeah, I got 504.
It's 494.
I got 494.
Who should I give extra?
Just say to like everyone who needs to look up their grade minutes.
Wait, but what was the first step?
So you see.
The first step, what was it?
Times 8.
I know, but what you get?
Fine.
56. What's 9 times 6?
You do everything you're
I got
supposed to do
5.
on time.
I got 5. No, I did. I give you the wrong answer.
Whoa.
I thought 7 times 8 was for the first step. What'd you get?
It's 55.
First one?
I was the wrong one. Sorry, Evelyn.
Yeah, 560 and then 504.
Okay.
No, and then times
Most
9.
people look like that.
Miss, can I use a calculator for this?
Oh,
it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
You still, I think 5 times 6.
Well, you have to put PS5.
Okay, you ready? You ready?
9 times 6. 9 times 6.
9 times 6 is
I have a
54.
oh yeah. I don't know.
9
Yes, but it's 52.
Oh yeah, it is 50.
Yeah.
Nice one, Evelyn.
It's 494.
I told you guys.
And what are you saying, Sam?
Oh my god, you guys gaslighted me to change that answer.
Trust in your answer. Defend your answer.
I defended my answer. Wait, Santi, what'd you
I
I got 494. They didn't believe us.
Oh my god.
What's this?
Wait.
How did you get that?
This is a race.
I still got
5
some.
times
I know
9
I'm
is 40.
5 times 9.
9 times 6. 9 times.
9 times. Hold on.
What's 9 times 6? 54. It's 54.
54, which I carried the 5 right there, right?
Yes.
And then the 54, right?
Bro,
54. And then 9 times 5 is 45 plus 5.
50.
Wait, yes.
And then you got
Honestly, man, you made me change my answer.
Yes,
I had it right.
That's
Yeah,
you
baby.
finished.
I
stand on it, Miss Romelli.
See, Miss Romelli.
Hey,
Oh my God.
we're recording all of this, so
What
This is
happened?
not fair.
the
Unfair.
But you know what? It's funny how we both made the same mistake.
That means we're smart.
That was like the easiest one.
Yeah, no.
We both messed up on 45 plus 5.
Miss, you think the test will bring, if I get the test 100 or 10 out of 10 or whatever, like 100%, miss?
I got
You
5
can bump my grade up that 0.8%. No, I'm saying like getting 10 out of 10 on the test. Will it?
It should raise.
What you guys get for the second one now? Wait
No,
something.
you're
Wait.
Bro,
you guys are not
We're not sharing
84.
answers. You cannot handle sharing answers in this class.
21.
All right, I think I graded everyone's homework, so make sure you pass those back to everybody. And
Yeah, miss, you graded my homework.
let's check.
Okay.
I did not.
You graded our homework.
Did not. Okay, I'll be there.
You smart about something?
No, you copied everyone, bro.
I thought. I literally had it.
You didn't even do it.
Okay, gentlemen, ladies.
I'm cracking up.
And I found my answer key to.
Wait, is it 84?
Yes, it is.
Not even a 5.
525?
Oh,
Oh, 84.
No, I'm just cracking up.
Put 150.
Wait,
No, but
Yay.
yeah, I don't know what it is.
yeah, miss, I'm also catching about that.
Oh, yeah, something. Whoa. Yeah,
What the? 7 times 7? 42. 7 times 7? Yeah, I know. That's 56. Thank you. No, it's 49.
49?
oh, that's what I want.
Read from here then.
Oh,
I got it.
I did it the wrong way. What did you get for 9?
Wait, I'm going crazy on my left.
This time, this 40, right? And I carried 2.
This is wrong.
What's the answer right here? 42.
What did you want?
Oh, 6, 7,
6, 7, 8.
7. Oh my gosh, you said.
How'd you get 0.85?
I'm not
I
gonna
know
say.
it was your mom.
Oh, it was 7.
How she knows it was your dad.
We're still dragging.
Yes, we're dragging it because it was so nice.
You know how much I got injured on my ankle?
No, we
Wait,
don't.
did you guys do it?
What were you saying?
420?
For what?
For the third one?
A E? I said she. No, you didn't. You said she.
doesn't care.
Oh my god, guys. Just one wrong misgender. Like, fall forward, fall forward.
The bigger number.
What's 8 times 3? 24.
first one's wrong, then your second one's wrong.
Oh,
I got 200. Wait, what'd you get for number 3?
what you said messed up.
7 times 4?
Oh, I call it 40.
So do you- 42.
20.
Miss, can you check my answers, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Change please.
Check it.
What'd you get for number 2? You get 28. Huh?
28?
2? I mean, what for number 3? For number 3. You're so dumb. I know I did it wrong. I just don't know what I did wrong.
So you did it wrong.
Yeah, I know I did.
Alright. Yes.
I got 420.
Miss, are you gonna publish it?
You know, one of my little pet peeves is the dollar sign that goes in front. Dollar sign's always going.
What you guys?
I know we pronounce it $500, and kids think the dollar sign goes in the
Olivia,
back,
did you get
but the
28?
dollar sign goes in the front.
280.